This quiz series is an endeavor to provide a window to the learners for easy revision and self-assessment. This series will be useful to all the learners of Python programming language. Please feel free to use the comment section for the feedback on this series, to give new ideas, or to ask for explanation to any of the questions. Enjoy it and get maximum benefit from this series. This is part 3 of this series. Here we are covering Boolean expressions, that is conditions in Python. This part of the series has 25 questions totaling 40 marks. Question 1. Which of the following expressions are true? There can be one or more expressions which are true. And the answer is option B and option D. Second question. Again, which of the following expressions are true? And the answer is option B and option D. Question number 3. Now you have to evaluate these expressions as true or false. And the values are, first expression is 3, that is true. And all the other expressions B, C and D evaluate to 0, that is false. Fourth question. Again, evaluate the expressions. And the values are true, true, true and false. Question number 5. Again, evaluate. And the values are true, true, true and true. Question number 6. Evaluate these expressions. And the values are true, false, false and false. Question number 7. In this question also you have to evaluate the expressions. And the values are true, true, true and false. Question number 8. Which of the following expressions are true? Identify. And the answer is expression A and expression D. Question number 9. Again, identify which of the given expressions are true. And the answer is option B and option C. Question 10. Which of the following expressions are true? And the answer is A and B. In the next few questions, you will be given a statement stating a condition to be checked and 4 Boolean expressions. You will have to identify the correct expressions representing the stated condition. Question number 11. The condition to be checked is that num1 is equal to num2. Identify the correct expression. And the answer is B. Question number 12. Condition to be checked is num1 is a factor of num2. Identify the equivalent expression. Answer is option C. Question number 13. See the condition. Identify the corresponding expression. And the answer is C. Question number 14. You have to check that CH, which is a single character string, is a digit. And the corresponding expression is A. Question 15. See the condition and identify the corresponding expression. And the answer is option C. Again, see the condition, identify the expression. And the answer is option B. 17th question. Condition is given You have to identify the corresponding expression, and the answer is option B. Question number 18. See the condition, find the expression, and the correct option is D. 19th question, and the correct answer is option A and option D. Both are correct expressions representing the given condition. Question number 20. CH, again a single character string. You have to check that it is a lowercase consonant. And the answer is option D. In the next few questions, you will be given a Python expression and 4 statements stating a condition to be checked. You have to identify the correct statement represented by the given expression. Question number 21. Expression is V double equal to AEIOU in capital. So what does it check? Answer is option D. It is checking that V is exactly equal to the string AEIOU. Question number 22. And the correct option is C. Question number 23. And the correct option is A. Question number 24. See the expression and match it with the correct statement. And the correct option is C. A, B, C are either in ascending or in descending order. Question number 25. See the condition and choose the corresponding statement carefully. And the correct option is A. That's all for this part of the series. Please write your feedback and queries in the comment section, and I will be back with next part of the series on next Monday. Till then, bye bye, take care, happy learning.